In this video, we'll split the fraction 2s plus 3 over s minus 3 times s plus 4 using partial fractions. The idea behind partial fractions is that we can write 2s plus 3 over s minus 3 times s plus 4 as the sum of two terms, a over s minus 3, the first factor in our denominator, plus b over s plus 4, the second factor in our denominator. What remains is to figure out the values of a and b for this to be equal. To do this, we want to get away from having fractions, so we'll multiply by s minus 3 times s plus 4 on both sides. On the left, the s minus 3 times s plus 4 in the numerator will cancel with the division by s minus 3 and s plus 4 in the denominator. On the right, we need to distribute that s minus 3 times s plus 4 to both terms. So we'll have a times s minus 3 times s plus 4 over s minus 3 in the first term, and b times s minus 3 times s plus 4 over s plus 4 in the second term. In these two terms, we can get cancellations as well. In the first term, we have s minus 3 over s minus 3, and in the second term, we have s plus 4 over s plus 4. So this leaves us with a times s plus 4 plus b times s minus 3 on the right-hand side. Combining this leaves us with the equation 2s plus 3 equals a times s plus 4 plus b times s minus 3. To figure out what a and b are, we need to distribute the right-hand side. Distributing a and b in their respective terms gives us that we have 2s plus 3 on the left still, and a times s plus a times 4 plus b times s minus 3 times b on the right-hand side. Now, what we'll do to figure out a and b is to combine like terms and compare our coefficients. Our coefficient of s comes from as plus bs, which we can factor as a plus b times s, and our constant will be 4a minus 3b. Since we want this to equal 2s plus 3, we know that our coefficient of s on the left-hand side, which is 2, must be equal to our coefficient of s on the right-hand side, which is a plus b. So lining up coefficients like this gives us that a plus b has to equal 2 from our coefficient of s, and 4a minus 3b has to equal 3 by lining up our constants on both sides. So now we have a system of linear equations, a plus b equals 2, and 4a minus 3b equals 3. Solving this linear system, we get that a is 9/7 and b is 5/7. So we can conclude that the fraction 2s plus 3 over s minus 3 times s plus 4 can be written as 9/7 over s minus 3 plus 5/7 over s plus 4.